Shopping for a product or service? Did you know when you shop at small local businesses, 67 cents of each dollar stays in your community? The recession hit small business hard, and many of your favorite mom and pop stores went out of business. Help small businesses keep their doors open by committing to patronize them. Visit www.locateasmallbusiness.com and find small businesses of every type by zip code nationwide. You can list your favorite places for free and help other socially conscious shoppers find out about the places you love. Visit www.locateasmallbusiness.com today and tell a friend about it.